Hello everyone, happy to see you here and welcome back to my channel Brain Logic. In this video we are going to solve this really easy, maybe the easiest question you've ever seen. We have 10 plus 28 divided by 2. In the same way, this is a very tricky question, so we hope you will solve this correctly. First of all, pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. What do you think is a correct answer? We have three options, A, B and C, so choose one option. What do you think is a correct answer? So first of all, I want to start with this solution. So we have 10 plus 28 divided by 2, okay? And I don't want to tell that this is correct or incorrect. I feel like one part of you solved it like that. We have 10 plus 28, we have 38, and 38 divided by 2, so from left to right we have 38 divided by 2 equal to 19. So this is option A. And I don't want to tell that this is correct or incorrect. I want you to understand that we need to know how can we solve it correctly with the correct order of operation. Because as you can see right here, we just go from left to right. We do the addition before division. So is it correct or incorrect? Okay, let's try to explain it. Let's try to solve it. First of all, I have this PMDMC order of operation. This is the main popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific, graphing calculator works according to PMDMC. So let's check this question according to PMDMC order of operation. Maybe we will have the same answer as 19. I don't know about it, but let's do this. So we have 10 plus 28 divided by 2. 10 plus 28 divided by 2. Let's look at this PMDMC. This PMDMC works from the top to the bottom. Let's look at it. First step, parentheses. Are there any parentheses right here? No, I don't see any of those, so we don't have any parentheses. We just skip this part. Exponents. So are there any exponents right here? No, I don't see any of those. We don't have any exponents, which is really great. Okay, we don't have any squares, cubes, so we just keep this part with exponents. The next step, according to PMDMC, the next step is multiplication. But a lot of students do this common mistake. They say, okay, multiplication, then we need to find multiplication sign. But we need to work with this as a group. So we need to add to this multiplication, we need to add division, and we need to look at it as a group, yeah? Now we need to find where do we have multiplication and division part. Let's look at it. We have 10 plus 28 divided by 2. Yeah, we have division part right here. So as you can see, we need to divide at first before we add and subtract, because as you can see, addition and subtraction is after multiplication and division. So in other words, we need to divide and multiply before we add and subtract. Okay, this is very important rule. Let's look at it. So we have 10 plus 28 divided by 2 equal to 14. So as you can see, the last step, very simple addition. So 10 plus 14 equal to 24. But one really important moment, we don't have this option 24 right here. And then one part of students go back and they say, okay, this is the obvious solution. So they say, okay, this is a correct answer is 19. But then I ask them, okay, what about order of operation? Because this is absolutely wrong order of operation. We cannot do addition before division. This is a very huge mistake. So right now I'm going to tell that this is absolutely incorrect solution. Correct solution is 24 because we solve it according to a correct order of operation, so we find our solution. So, but right now we have a test, so we need to choose a correct letter. So 24 is a correct answer, but what about option? We have 19, we have 30. What about this option B? This looks like kind of weird. We have 4 factorial. Let's check this answer. Let's find this value of this 4 factorial. So we know that 4 factorial, this is a product from 1 to 4. Yeah, so we have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. Okay, so we have 1 times 2, we have 2, 2 times 3, we have 6, and 6 times 4, we have 24. So as you can see, the same as right here. But this 4 factorial, this is the same as this 4 factorial. So saying in simple word in conclusion, yeah, correct answer according to PMDMC to this expression is 24. This is the first step. The second step, correct answer to this test is option B. So we can easily write right here option answer. This is option B is a correct answer to this question. So very tricky question, and I hope your answer is the same as mine. I hope you find this trick right here and you solve this question correctly. So option B is a correct answer. If you're talking about question, option B is a correct, but 24 is a correct answer according to PMDMC. Just forget this solution. This is a very bad solution because you cannot add and then divide. This is a very huge mistake. Maybe this is the main obvious solution for most of students because they just go from left to right and they don't care about what is this operation, and many students goes wrong with this question, so which is really bad. But definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. I hope you understand my explanation. I hope you understand the thoughts right here. So division and addition, this is 4 factorial, this is the same answer as right here. So I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematical adventure. Thank you for your time and have a great day, and thank you for everything. Take care of yourself.